Hi guys, today I will show you one of my passion, which is cycling. Here you can see my bike. Okay. Cycling is a sport where you use a bicycle such as this. There are a lot of types of bicycle. This one I will use a mountain bike. So safety first. Now guys, I'm starting to use this bicycle. As you can see, it's quite dark because it's night. Wow. Really, biking is really fun. Woo! See ya guys. Guys, um, I started this passion because of my dad because he really loves the sport of cycling. So I started to learn how to ride the bike, and I was in 7 years old. Okay, so while we're buying this bike, I saw a lot of opportunity, such as we can put up a business like rent a bike for college schools, as mentioned by one of our professors. You can also customize accessories such as speakers and other um, tools used for bikes. So that's it guys.